His former governor, Bob McDonnell, will be sentenced tomorrow morning for his 11-count conviction on corruption charges.
He could get more than a decade in prison, but as Peggy Fox reports from Richmond, his family and other supporters are hoping for no jail time.
In Richmond tonight, family members and close friends of Bob McDonnell are speaking out about their hopes for a lenient sentence tomorrow.
He's doing as well as can be expected.
Bob McDonnell's younger sister, Maureen McDonald, testified in her brother's corruption trial.
I'm glad to be here and support my brother today.
Bob McDonnell and his wife, whose name is also Maureen, were both found guilty of selling the prestige of the governor's office in exchange for gifts and loans from businessman Johnny Williams. Sister Maureen McDonnell wrote a letter to the judge blaming her brother's wife for what happened. While the federal probation department recommends Bob McDonnell serve at least 10 years behind bars, Sister Maureen McDonnell says the public would be better served if her brother received community service instead.
I think the alternative is really just capitalizing on Bob's strengths and leveraging. Why would you have a man who has such great gifts and talents and has a heart to really help other people to utilize that?
Robin Trujillo, who was one of the jurors, says it would be wrong for McDonnell to serve no time.
There was no way we could not convict. And if it was me or you or anybody else, I'm sure tomorrow evening we would be sitting in prison.
Former federal prosecutor Chuck James expects a sentence of 6 to 9 years.
Most judges would be loath to repudiate a jury's finding.
Bob McDonnell's attorneys are asking that if he is sentenced to prison time, that he be allowed to be out on bond pending their appeal. In Richmond, Peggy Fox, WUSA 9.
And that sentencing hearing begins tomorrow, 10 a.m. The defense will be putting on character witnesses and is expected to take a few hours for that. McDonnell's wife, Maureen, will be sentenced separately next month.